Student, today we are going to see our poem 2.4, How You Earn Your Tomorrow, part 2nd. In previous video we saw that Edgar Guest is the poet of this poem, and throughout the poem he asked various types of questions by referring readers as you and strangers with him. Now we see stanza number 3rd. So you should open your textbook and see in it. Can you say tonight, in parting with the days that slipping fast, that you help a single brother of the many that you pass? Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? Yes, we saw that the poet asks different questions to his readers. Yes, you did a good work today? Any good work today? You did good for people or not? If you did good for people, you help the poor and needy. If you help the poor people, needy people, then they must take your name properly, respectfully. They will helpful to you in future, says by the poet throughout the poem. Here is the same. Can you say to tonight? Yes. Can you say tonight, in parting with the days that sleeping? Yes. At the time of ending of the day. Yes. You should remind throughout the day. Throughout that day, you did something good for others. You help others. You spoke with others properly. You try to find out the others' problems. You should ask to yourself at the end of the day. Yes. Can you say tonight, in parting with the days what slipping fast, that you help a single brother of the many that you pass? Yes. Yes. Your friends, maybe your neighbors, maybe your relatives with whom you met throughout the day. Yes, you did something good for them. You spoke with them properly. You tried to find out their mistake. Yes. Yes. Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Yes. Whatever you did, whatever your manner of speaking, yes, a single heart means a single person become rejoice or become happy due to you. Yes, you should try to ask yourself at the end of the day. आपण बघितलेलं आहे, आपण स्वतः सुद्धा का केलं पाहिजे? यस, की आज मी दिवसभरामध्ये संध्याकाळच्या वेळेस जेव्हा दिवस तो संपतो त्यावेळेस यू शुड आस्क युअरसेल्फ, तुम्ही स्वतःला विचारायला पाहिजे की यस, आज दिवसभरामध्ये मी चांगलं एखादी कृत्य केलं का? मी एखाद्या ज्याला कुणाला भेटलेलं असेल त्याच्याशी मी चांगलं व्यवस्थित वागलो का? मी त्याच्या भल्यासाठी काही केलं का? हे प्रश्न आम्ही स्वतःला दिवसाच्या शेवटी विचारायला पाहिजे, सेज बाय द पोएट. यस. Did you waste the day or loss it was it well or sorely spent? Yes, sorely means uselessly. Sorely means uselessly. Yes. Or means you did a good job. You did a good thing in that day. You spoke with peoples that is helpful for them, or just you waste that day without doing anything good. किंवा मग तो दिवस तुम्ही काही चांगलं न करता असाच वाया घालवला का? आस्क बाय द पोएट अगेन. Listen, did you waste the day or lost it? Was it well or sorely spent? Yes. Or did you waste that day uselessly without doing anything good? तुम्ही काही न करता तो बिनकामानी युजलेसली वेस्ट केला आहे का? यस. Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? Yes, because of your good behavior, anybody is happy. Trail of kindness or a scar of discontent, or because of your behavior, yes, anybody become unhappy from you. तुमच्यापासून कोणी दुखावलं तर नाही ना? Yes, you should ask why going for sleep. That end of the day. Yes, as you close your eyes in the slumbers means go to sleep. Yes, as you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say? Yes, at the time of slumber, at the time when you are when you go to the sleep, that time you should ask yourself, yes, you did a good job or not. Yes, that God would say. Yes, maybe God would ask you, yes, today you did a good job for people, you did something good for the others, you behave with the other people properly or not. Yes, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today. Yes, suppose if you, yes, God would say, means here God means your heart. Yes, if your heart say, if your conscience says, yes, today you did good for others, you behave properly with the others, you help those were in needy, those wanted your help, you solve the others' problems, yes, then that your behavior, that your good deeds, yes, you must earn टुमारो. आणि तुमचं जर त्या आजचं जर कृत्य चांगलं असेल, तुम्ही कोणाला चांगली मदत केली असेल, कोणासाठी चांगलं काही केलं असेल, एखाद्याला खूप आवश्यकता असताना मदत केली असेल, तर त्याच बेसवर यस बाय द वर्क यू डीड टू यस यू हॅव अर्न वन मोर टुमारो. तुम्हाला आणखी एक पुन्हा दिवस मिळेल. म्हणजे यस यू विल बी ॲबल टू लिव्ह टुमारो वन मोर. म्हणजे काय, एक आणखी तुमचा दिवस होईल, आणखी तुम्हाला तुमच्या चांगल्या कृत्यासाठी आणखी एक तुम्हाला दिवस मिळेल. युअर कॉन्शियस गिव्ह यू द वन मोर डे फॉर युअर वन मोर डीड. इन दिस वे दिस पोएम इज नाउ कम टू एंड. Students, end of the now say here one question is for the mind map is given in your textbook. Listen here. Prepare a mind map on how to plan a good for tomorrow, yes, or my future goals. Yes, so now we take the mind map, my future goals. Yes, now this is a writing skill questions. I will explain you after completing the poems. But now see here how to complete our mind map, my future goals. Here is about my future goals. So you should write 4 points on it through web charts. Listen, my future goals. If you want to fulfill your future goals, what you will do? Yes, to attempt to get minimum good score in HSC exam. Then second, then get degree. Then appear for competitive exams, and then after appearing for the competitive exams, serve the nation. Then you will get a job. Then you, in this way, you serve the nations. Okay, students, I hope you will understand everything properly. Okay, if you have any problem, call me personally. Hello, student. We see also here is new figure of speech, synecdoche. What is the synecdoche? A word or phrase that refers to a part of something is substitute to stand in it for the whole or vice versa. Means समजा एखादी part which represent the whole or the whole is represent for the part, it is a synecdoche. म्हणजे एखादी भाग असेल छोटासा, तो सर्वाला रिप्रेझेंट कसं असेल किंवा सर्वच्या सर्व गोष्टी एका छोट्याशा गोष्टीला पार्टला रिप्रेझेंट कसं असेल, इट इज अ सिनेंड्रोची. लिसन, हिअर इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सिनेंड्रोची इन द पोयम. इज अ सिंगल हर्ट रिजॉयसिंग ओव्हर व्हॉट यू डिड or said. Yes, is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said. Yes, here is the synonymy. Listen, heart, a single heart. Heart is a part which represent the whole, which is represent for the whole. Okay, thank you very much.